We're sharing 50 brilliant small space organization and storage ideas to help you maximize every inch of your home. Whether you're living in a cozy apartment, a tiny home, or just looking to declutter, these tips will transform your space into an organized and functional haven. From innovative kitchen hacks to clever closet solutions, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and discover how to make the most of your space without sacrificing style or comfort. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Number 1. Slide-on. Mug hooks. Utilize vertical space in cupboards for mugs. These hooks slide onto shelves, providing more storage and a decorative touch. Number 2. Compact utensil organizer. Combine utensils and cutlery in one drawer. This organizer keeps everything neatly tucked away and labeled for easy access. Number 3. Tension rods. Create extra hanging space in laundry rooms and closets. Perfect for drying clothes or organizing cleaning supplies. Number 4. Over-sink rollout rack. Free up countertop space with a multi-purpose rack. Use it for drying dishes or as a prep surface. Number 5. Collapsible laundry bin. Save space with a foldable laundry bin. It can be tucked away when not in use, ideal for small laundry rooms. Number 6. Under-shelf baskets. Use these in the fridge for extra storage. They add extra layers to store fruits, veggies, or snacks. Number 7. Velvet hooks on doors. Hang items like laundry baskets behind doors. These hooks provide extra storage without damaging walls. Number 8. Slim velvet hangers. Save closet space with slim hangers. Their non-slip surface keeps clothes in place and maximizes hanging space. Number 9. Floating shelves. Add storage without taking up floor space. Perfect for displaying books, plants, or decor items. Number 10. Stackable storage bins. Maximize vertical storage in closets or pantries. Great for organizing toys, clothes, or kitchen items. Number 11. Over-the-door shoe organizer. Store shoes or other small items behind doors. This keeps them accessible but out of the way. Number 12. Wall-mounted bike rack. Keep bikes off the floor and out of the way. Ideal for garages or apartments. Number 13. Pull-out pantry shelves. Improve accessibility and organization in kitchens. These shelves make it easy to reach items in the back. Number 14. Rolling kitchen cart. Add portable storage and workspace. Useful in kitchens, dining rooms, or even as a bar cart. Number 15. Corner shelves. Utilize corner space for storage. These shelves fit into corners, providing storage without taking up much room. Number 16. Magnetic spice rack. Save counter space by storing spices on the fridge. Keep spices organized and within easy reach. Number 17. Bed risers. Create underbed storage by elevating your bed. Perfect for storing bins, boxes, or seasonal items. Number 18. Hanging fruit basket. Free up counter space in the kitchen. This basket keeps fruits fresh and accessible. Number 19. Pegboard wall organizer. Keep tools and supplies organized and accessible. Customize with hooks and shelves for various items. Number 20. Murphy. Bed. Save space by folding the bed up into the wall. Great for multifunctional rooms or small apartments. Number 21. Drawer dividers. Keep drawers tidy and organized. Perfect for separating utensils, office supplies, or clothing. Number 22. Wall-mounted folding table. Use as a desk or dining table and fold away when not needed. Ideal for small living spaces. Number 23. Shower caddy. Organize bathroom essentials in the shower. Keeps shampoo, soap, and other items within reach and tidy. Number 24. Stackable washer and dryer. Save laundry room space by stacking appliances. Ideal for maximizing vertical space. Number 25. Closet rod extender. Double your hanging space in closets. Adds an extra rod for more clothing storage. Number 26. Hanging pot. Rack. Free up kitchen cabinet space by hanging pots and pans. Makes them easy to access and adds a decorative touch. Number 27. Foldable drying rack. Save space by folding away when not in use. Perfect for drying clothes indoors. Number 28. Storage ottoman. Use as seating and hidden storage. Great for living rooms or bedrooms. Number 29. Over-the-toilet storage. Utilize space above the toilet for shelves or cabinets. Adds extra storage in the bathroom. Number 30. Hanging file organizer. Save desk space by hanging files on the wall. Keeps important documents organized and accessible. Number 31. Tiered shelf. Organizer. Maximize pantry or cabinet space with tiered shelves. Perfect for canned goods or spices. Number 32. Wall-mounted magnetic knife strip. Save counter space in the kitchen. Keeps knives organized and easy to access. Number 33. Door-mounted organizer. Store cleaning supplies or pantry items on the back of doors. Utilizes often overlooked space. Number 34. Under-cabinet lighting. Free up counter space by using under-cabinet lights. Improves visibility and adds ambiance. Number 35. Fold-out ironing board. Save space by folding the ironing board into the wall. Convenient for small laundry rooms. Number 36. Bunk beds. Maximize bedroom space with bunk beds. Great for kids' rooms or guest rooms. Number 37. Ladder shelf. Use vertical space for books, plants, or decor. Adds a stylish touch to any room. Number 38. Hanging closet organizer. Add shelves to your closet without taking up floor space. Ideal for shoes, accessories, or folded clothes. Number 39. Over-the-door towel rack. Save bathroom space by hanging towels on the door. Keeps them dry and within easy reach. Number 40. Portable closet. Add storage space with a portable wardrobe. Great for small bedrooms or dorm rooms. Number 41. Shoe rack under bed. Store shoes neatly under the bed. Keeps them organized and out of the way. Number 42. Pull-out trash can. Save kitchen space with a pull-out trash can. Keeps trash hidden and easily accessible. Number 43. Wall-mounted desk. Save floor space with a desk mounted to the wall. Perfect for small home offices. Number 44. Corner desk. Utilize corner space with a compact desk. Ideal for maximizing small workspaces. Number 45. Stackable laundry baskets. Save space by stacking baskets when not in use. Keeps laundry organized and out of the way. Number 46. Underbed storage bags. Store out-of-season clothes or extra bedding under the bed. Keeps items protected and out of sight. Number 47. Hanging plant pots. Save floor space by hanging plants. Adds greenery without taking up room. Number 48. Shelf dividers. Keep stacks of clothes or towels organized. Helps maintain neat and accessible storage. Number 49. Rolling underbed storage. Easily access underbed storage with rolling bins. Perfect for shoes, clothes, or toys. Number 50. Wall hooks. Use wall hooks for coats, bags, or hats to save space. Keeps items organized and off the floor.